Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting and rapidly growing career fields, esports. Well, I know for some of you, you must be thinking, is it really a career? Well, if you are not living under the rock, it is actually becoming a big career opportunity across the globe. And I will advise you to watch this video till the end, as I have given every detail you need to start with your career with these facts, future prospects, and every other detail you need. In fact, a lot of universities and colleges have launched programs and arenas to cater to this career. Take a look at University of California, Irvine's Esports Arena.
Welcome to the UCI Esports Arena. My name is Kathy Chung and I work here as the arena coordinator. I manage this space, which is basically the home base for our UCI Esports program, which is housed under Student Affairs at the University of California, Irvine. So to my right is a unique section of our arena, which sets us apart from a typical LAN center.
Okay, so you might be thinking, ये सब foreign में चलता है. There is no scope in India. Well, that's not true. In fact, watch this video to know how it is getting big in India as well.
We are here for a big moment.
Top Indian gaming influencers met our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, and it is clearly shows the growth and potential of this career. So whether you are a gamer dreaming of competing on the big stage, a student passionate about gaming, or a parent curious about career options in this industry, this video is for you. In fact, the esports ecosystem is massive, and you don't have to be a player to make an impact. And it is particularly appealing to younger generations and reflecting a broader shift towards digital engagement in entertainment. Now, whether you are creative, strategic, or business savvy, there's a place for you. So let's explore this power-packed video detailing what esport is, what are the various career options, and how to build a successful career in esports. Let's start with understanding what is esports. Well, esports or electronic sports is a rapidly expanding sector of the entertainment industry that involves organized competitive video gaming across various genres such as MOBAs and FPS games. Now, esports is one line is competitive video game. Now, unlike casual gaming, esports involve professional players, teams, and tournaments with huge audiences and prize pools. It's not just about playing games, it's about competing, strategizing, and entertaining on a global stage. Now, with millions of fans tuning in worldwide, esports has become a billion-dollar industry. Let's take a closer look at why so many people are choosing this career as a path. But the important question is, why choose an esports career? Like, there is really a career out of it? Well, actually there is. The esports industry is growing at an unprecedented rate. The esports market size is projected to grow from 2.5 billion in 2024 to 18 billion by 2035, representing a CAGR growth of 20%. And this growth actually comes in increasing number of career opportunities. Now, with millions of fans tuning in worldwide, esports has become a multi-billion-dollar industry. Let's take a closer look at why so many people are choosing this as a career path. But the important question is, why choose an esports career? Like, is there really a career out of it? Well, actually there is. The esports industry is growing at an unprecedented rate. The esports market size is projected to grow from 2.5 billion in 2024 to 18.85 billion by 2035, representing a CAGR of 20% during the forecast period of 24 to 35. And this is an amazing growth rate. And with this growth comes an increasing number of career opportunities as well. Not just for players, but for those working behind the scenes as well. In fact, there is a good reason for its growth. Now, it is driven by technological advancements, the rise of online streaming platforms, and the increasing acceptance of gaming as a legitimate competition. Technological advancements, particularly in virtual and augmented reality, are also influencing growth and professionalization of this industry. Now, esports infrastructure development is significantly reshaping the competitive gaming landscapes as major cities worldwide are investing in purpose-built esports arenas, recognizing their potential to attract tourism and stimulate economic growth. Now, this is enhancing player experiences and audience engagement, which are again contributing to its growth. And there are a lot of top companies hiring people like Tencent, Electronic Arts, Nazara Technologies, Allied Esports, and many more. In fact, some of the big players involved in esports market include Intel, Microsoft, Nintendo, Nvidia, Riot Games, and Valve. So there are many jobs in this career as well. Okay, now let me explain you the variety of career opportunities available in esports. One of the best things about esports is the variety of roles available. Now, here are some of the top career paths in this industry. First one is, of course, professional gamers. Now, these are the people who compete in tournaments and leagues with the potential to earn prize money and sponsorships. Now, top players can earn millions annually, actually. Next is content creator or streamer. This is becoming very popular, actually. You can build a personal brand by streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch or YouTube. Now, many successful streamers earn from ads, sponsorships, and fan donations. And here is a glimpse of the University of California Irvine's arena and how they help students with this. There is another career opportunity as coach or analysts. Now, they help teams improve their performance through strategic planning and in-depth game analysis. And in competitive gaming, this role is very common. Like, think of cricket team or football team. They will have coaches, analysts, and this is very similar in esports also. Now, another career is of event organizers. They plan and execute esports tournaments and events, both online and offline. In fact, there is a huge demand for organizing such events, and it can be in your local district or city where enthusiastic gamers can play competitive games. Now, as an event organizer, you can earn a lot of money by inviting sponsorships to your events and charging a small entry fee from gamers as well. Now, next up is, of course, game developer. Now, these people work behind the scenes to create the games that fuel the esports industry. In fact, I have done an entire video on game development that you can check out on my channel after this video. Now, another career opportunity is broadcasting and commentary. Now, you can become an esports host, commentator, or analyst for live events and broadcasts. Last one is marketing and sponsorship management. Now, any competitive sport will require money and marketing. So if you have a business mindset, this could be a great career for you. You need to connect brands with teams and players, managing partnerships and promotional campaigns. The esports ecosystem is massive, and you don't have to be a player to make an impact. Now, whether you are creative, strategic, or business savvy, there's a place for you in this world. Now, let's explore what are the key skills needed for success. Esports offer numerous advantages, including the development of skills like teamwork and strategic thinking, as well as fostering social interactions and community building among players also. Now, to succeed in esports, you need more than just gaming skills. Now, here are some essential skills to develop. First is gaming expertise. Now, specialize in a specific game and master its mechanics. Next is communication and teamwork. Collaboration effectively with teammates and communicate strategies is very important. Next is strategic thinking. Understanding game dynamics and thinking ahead of to outsmart your opponents is also important. Branding and marketing skills. Now, if you're a streamer or content creator, learn to build an audience and engage with fans. You also need to have fast reflexes, good decision making, and mental toughness. You must be able to handle pressure, as competitive sports are always required to perform under pressure. So make sure you have that. The more you invest in building these skills, the better your chances of standing out in the competitive industry. Okay, now let's look at what education and training is required for esports. And a common question that I get too often is, do you need a degree to work in esports? Well, not necessarily. But education can give you an edge. Many universities now offer esports specific programs covering areas like event management, game design, and team strategy. Now, some popular degrees are Bachelor's in Science in Esports and Gaming, degree in Esports and Live Streaming, Esports Management, and many more. Now, here's a clip from the University of California Irvine's Esports Center. Can you see how top universities and colleges are preparing students for this career? And it's only gonna grow in future as well. Now, if formal education isn't an option, online platforms like YouTube, Skillshare, and Udemy offer courses in gaming, streaming, and esports management. The key is to keep learning and improving. And I have attached some of my top recommended courses that you can do online to build a massive career in this field. Okay, now I also want to talk about, is esports a right career for you or not? Okay, so in general, for a successful career in esports, you need to be excited about this field. You must enjoy competitive environment since you will have to compete with thousands of people. And also, you must know how to work under pressure in front of live or online audiences with high stakes. Also, I feel this career is good for people who are risk takers and loves adventures. So if you think you have these qualities, or if you are willing to build these qualities and make a strong mindset, you can do it really well in this career. And here are some tips to get you started. Now, specifically for students, first is to identify your interests. Do you want to become a professional player or any other career that I spoke earlier? If interested in becoming a pro gamer, you must identify your game and then participate in tournaments. Network with other players and start building your brand early. Now, make sure to participate in tournaments and build your mental toughness early on. That is very important. Remember to start small and win big. Now, for parents, support your child's passion while encouraging a balanced approach to gaming and academics. Parents, remember, an esports career is no different from any other career. It requires dedication, planning, and hard work to succeed. And it is a legitimate career and has huge potential growth. And as any other career, this career also requires skill development and regular practice. Now, esports is more than just gaming. It's a dynamic industry filled with opportunities for those willing to put in the effort. That's the word. Now, whether you're a student exploring your passion or a parent guiding your child, the esports world is ready for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe for more career, college admission, and skill development insights. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.